We all love tandoori chicken, but making it at home can be intimidating. Today I'm showing you a simple method to make it juicy, flavorful, and so good that you'll want to make it again and again. We'll start with the first marinade, then we'll coat our chicken in the second marinade, we'll make the sauce, and then we'll cook the chicken. I use chicken thighs and I cut it into pieces. Traditionally, it's made with bone-in chicken. Marinate the chicken with just some salt, red chili powder, and some lime juice, and set it aside while you prep the other ingredients. This really makes a difference and allows the salt to penetrate the chicken. Now let's make the coating or the second marinade. Use thick Greek yogurt because you don't want too much moisture in the marinade. Add the whole spices, some mustard oil for smokiness, and a little bit of chickpea flour to bind everything together. The mixture should be really thick. Now all we need to add is a ginger garlic paste, so I'm adding some grated ginger into the mixture and some garlic. If you don't have a garlic press, I highly recommend investing in a good one. It's been just 10 minutes, but look at the amount of water that has collected. Drain it and then add your second marinade and get in there with your hands. Make sure to massage the chicken so that every nook and cranny is covered with this flavorful marinade. While this marinates, let's make our beautiful vibrant green sauce. We need some fresh mint and some cilantro and green chilies. And all we're going to do is roughly chop the ingredients and grind them in a blender. A little bit of salt, some chaat masala, and a little bit of sugar to balance everything out. I add a little bit of yogurt and water to make it into a smooth, fine paste. Look at how beautiful and fresh that looks. Let's cook our chicken. Line your tray with foil for easier cleanup and then put a wire rack and oil it. The wire rack allows the heat to circulate, giving you those beautiful charred spots. We're going to cook this in a very hot oven, as hot as your oven goes, for just about 10 minutes. Look at how beautiful that looks. And now I'm going to brush it with some butter. You could even cook this on a pan if you don't have an oven or don't want to use one. I find that this works really well in an air fryer. The chicken is still juicy inside and the marinade is fully cooked with these beautiful smoky charred spots. This is exactly what you're looking for. If you like this recipe, then like this video and subscribe to my channel. You could easily use this recipe for a full chicken leg. Just make sure you make some deep gashes in the flesh so that the marinade penetrates into the meat. This makes a perfect appetizer for a dinner party or a Diwali party. You can marinate it ahead of time and then bake it right before your guests arrive.